Hello everyone, this is KK Pankaj on our screen. Dear learners, today we will study about the topic tenses. This is second part. In first part we have studied about simple present, simple past and simple future. In this part we will study about present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. Dear learners, if you haven't yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to receive all the notifications. So let's start today's topic. Dear learners, I think you all should have a notebook and pen with you so that wherever you think these points are to be written, you must write. Present continuous or present progressive tense. This tense is used to describe some action taking place at the time of speaking. I repeat, this tense is used to describe some action taking place at the time of speaking, not necessarily at the moment of speaking. Look at these examples. I am operating mobile phone. He is playing cricket. So these actions, this example and this example, second example, these actions are being done at the time of speaking. But look at this example. He is working very hard. He is working very hard but not at the time of speaking. It means he is working hard these days, or nowadays he is working very hard. This tense indicates about the continuity of action. Very important point. This tense indicates about the continuity of action. This tense is also used to denote an action which is going to take place in future. Examples: I am leaving for Lucknow tomorrow. Some verbs are not used in the continuous form. These are hate, understand, see, hear, love, etc. Present continuous affirmative sentences. This is structure. First of all, subject, then is, am, are, was first form, ing and object. Is used with singular nouns and pronouns. I am with I, and are is used with plural nouns and pronouns. I am reading a poem. He is disturbing us. They are laughing at us. They are laughing at him. Present continuous negative sentences. Subject, after that is, am, are, not, then was first form, ing and object. He is not disturbing us. I am not watching television. They are not going to the market. Present continuous interrogative sentences. You know very well, interrogative sentences are used to ask questions. Structure: first of all, auxiliary verbs, is, am, are, subject, was first form, ing and object, and at last question mark. Is he waiting for you? Am I disturbing you? Are they fighting there? Past continuous or past imperfect tense. This tense describes an action going on at a point of time in the past. I repeat, this tense describes an action going on at a point of time in the past. He was doing his work, means he was doing his work at a point of time in the past. They were playing chess. My mother was teaching me in the morning. Past continuous affirmative sentences. Structure: subject, after that was, were, then was first form, ing and object. Karan was playing cricket. Boys were helping them. Was is used with singular nouns and pronouns, and were is used with plural nouns and pronouns. Karan is singular, that's why was is here. Boys, it is plural, so were is used here. Past continuous negative sentences. Subject was, were plus not, then was first form plus ing and object. Examples: he was not doing his work. They were not disturbing us. Boys were not laughing at him. Past continuous interrogative sentences. Was, were, this is structure, was or were, subject, then was first form plus ing and object, and at last question mark. Was he reading a story? Why was he gazing at you? Whom were they talking about? Future continuous tense. Dear learners, this tense indicates that the action is not finished. Action will be continuing at a given time, at a given point of time in future. I repeat, this tense indicates that the action is not finished. Action will be continuing at a given point of time in future. Examples: I shall be playing cricket tomorrow morning. They will be teaching us. Future continuous affirmative sentences. Structure: subject, will, shall, then we, after that was first form and ing, after that object. Examples: I shall be watching the movie. Shall, it will be used with I and we. With other noun and pronouns, will be used. I shall be watching the movie. They will be going to Lucknow tomorrow. Boys will be playing football tomorrow evening. Future continuous negative sentences. Subject, after that will, shall, after that not, then we, after that verbs first form ing and object. We shall not be talking. They will not be singing songs. I shall not be going there. Dear learners, on your own also you must write at least 5 examples from each tense. Future continuous interrogative sentences. Auxiliary verbs, it will come first, will or shall, after that subject, then we, then verbs first form plus ing, and object, and after that question mark. Will your brother be teaching you? Will your brother be teaching you? Shall I be taking with them? Shall I be talking with them? So these are examples. As I told you, on your own also you must write some examples. Examples of future continuous. Will your brother be teaching you? Shall I be talking with them? Shall I be talking with them? Dear learners, here is the exercise that you must do. Change the following sentences as directed within the brackets. Some sentences are given here. You have to change accordingly as given within the brackets. Thanks for watching this video.